Welcome to a new video on our page. Today, we are excited to introduce our latest Revit add-in, Text Lookup. Have you ever worked on Revit project filled with numerous text nodes or tags, like electrical circuit tags, and struggle to find where are they placed? Don't worry, Text Lookup make it easy for you with just a click. Let's take a look at how it's works. As you can see, at the center of the window, you will see three checkboxes. Tags for locating element tags, texts for searching text nodes, and current view only to limit your search to the current view. Now, let's try searching for something in our model. As you notice, you don't need to type the full text, just part of it will be sufficient. Let's try searching for another type of tags. Also, as you can see, it navigates to a different view automatically when the match is found. Now, let's test searching with current view only option. As you can see, the number of matches is reduced from 5 to just 2, showing only the results in the current view. Thank you for watching.